Hi everyone, welcome to Basics of MATLAB Programming. In this tutorial, let us discuss functions in MATLAB. Functions normally in a coding is used to perform a specific task. And also functions are useful dividing bigger program into smaller tasks and making it easier to read and maintain your code. This is actually a syntax for function in a MATLAB. Function is a keyword. Following that, output which is obtained from the function, which is represented here as y1 to yn, which is equal to myFun. Actually a function name you have to present here in bracket x1 to xm, which is input. There are few rules to follow while writing the functions in the MATLAB. One is function name must begin with an alphabet, and thereafter it may contain letters, numbers or underscore. Second one, function file must contain only function definition, and the name of the file must match with the name of the first function in the file. Then a script file which contains command and function definition. The script file must have different name, should not have the same name as the function in a file. And finally, files can include one or more functions. Let me straight away demonstrate this function in MATLAB. Let us discuss function with a single output first. Let me go to MATLAB. I am going to create the code to find out average of three numbers. Those three numbers are 0, 1, 2. Define your function here. Function as per syntax, provide output. Output is average is equal to function name as average and take the input. Input is x. Now define this function. How to define the function? My objective is to calculate average of three numbers. First you find out length of that x, n. Then avg is a variable, sum of x. Maybe I have more than one number in x, so sum of x divided by n. So this is how to define the function. I have defined my function to calculate average of three numbers. You have to save this file on a function name. What is a function name here? Average. So go to save, create another m file. You specify x is, as I mentioned earlier, 0, 1, 2 are the three numbers. I want to find out the average. Now you call that function average equal to average of x. Run this code. Have a look at the result in command window. X is 0, 1, 2. Average of these three, 0 plus 1 plus 2, total of 3. 3 divided by 3 becomes 1. So this way you can create function with a single output. Now I will tell you how to create functions with multiple output. Again, go to your function, create a program to find average of three numbers and sum of square using function. So make it as two output. One is average, another one is sum of square, SOS. SOS is equal to sum of square x dot element wise square. We have to collect two output from this function. One is average, which is defined here, and SOS, sum of square of the given number, which is defined here. Now go to this original script where we are calling this average function. Instead of collecting only one output, we have to collect two output here. So copy this both AVG and SOS, paste it here, so that we are collecting average as well as sum of square of the given number. Let me check this code. See, this average is 0 plus 1 plus 2, which is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. Then sum of square, 0 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, 5. This way you can collect multiple output from the function. For the sake of clarity, I have shown only two output from the function here. You can also have nested function in MATLAB. What is a nested function? Function within a function is nested function. I can demonstrate the same using this program. We are going to find out average of three numbers and also sum of square using nested function. Nested function, you must have function within function. Say for example, I can manipulate this sum of PVRE square. I'm calling this function sum of square instead of calculating the same here. So where can I do that? I can create one more function here as SOS, which is equal to SOS equal to the same function which is available inside this function. Now I'm making it as separate in order to understand nested function. So this is actual function, that is first function, which is with the name of average. In this function, I'm having one more function called sum of square, that is what defined here, which is performing the task of sum of square of given number. I may go to the original script where I called this function average. I do not want to make any change here, and since I am going to collect only two output. Let me run this code and see the result. Same result we obtained. Average is a function actually called from the main program, in which I have one more function called sum of square, which is defined here. This way nested function is working in a MATLAB. The important point you have to notice here is your function name and M file name in which we created the function, both must be same. Have a look at this average, this is also average. In case if you are using more than one function, the first function name you have to save the file. Though I have two functions, I am saving this file with the name of average. Remember, you must have different name for your main program as well as function script. These are the important points you have to notice from this function. I hope you enjoyed this video with the learning of functions in MATLAB. For more update, subscribe my channel.